Hello and welcome. You are listening to Daily Easy English. This channel helps you learn English in a calm and simple way. The English you hear is slow and clear. Here is a friendly reminder. You do not need to understand everything. Just listen and relax. Over time, your understanding will grow. Let's begin today's lesson. Today, I want to talk about waking up early. Early in the morning, everything feels peaceful. The streets are quiet. The noise of the day has not started yet. I wake up when the sky is light. The sun is not strong. The room feels calm. I open my eyes slowly. I stay in bed for a short moment. I listen to the silence. Then I sit up gently. I stretch my arms and legs. My body feels stiff but relaxed. I stand up and walk to the window. I pull the curtain aside. Fresh light comes into the room. I see the morning outside. The day feels new and fresh. I take a deep breath. The air feels cool and clean. Waking up early gives me time. I do not feel rushed. My mind feels clear. I feel ready to start my day. This is why I like waking up early. Now, let's repeat some easy sentences. Please repeat after me. I wake up early. I wake up early. The morning is quiet. The morning is quiet. I feel calm and ready. I feel calm and ready. Good work. Practice a little every morning. Thank you for listening. This is Daily Easy English. Try listening in the morning when your mind is fresh. See you in the next lesson.